GluHU. In this video, we show you how to use the GluHU Remover. To remove the wig, spray the GluHU Remover onto the GluHU dabber. Do not spray the GluHU Remover directly on the person, as it could get into the eyes. Place the GluHU dabber on top of the lace area and move in a circular motion. Repeat the process until the lace detaches from the skin. Then, lift up the lace and apply some more GluHU Remover underneath the lace and on the skin. This way you clean both skin and lace at the same time. Remove the wig. If there are still any sticky areas on the skin, use the GluHU microcloth with some GluHU Remover. If there is still any adhesive or makeup left on the lace, put it on the GluHU microcloth and spray some GluHU Remover onto the lace. Give it a moment and use the GluHU dabber to remove the adhesive residues. The cleaning movement should always be towards the edge of the lace. The GluHU silicone-based adhesive system has been developed to make any wig or facial hair application an easy, reliable, and clean process. GluHU.